Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video I am going to show you how to create Adidas account on mobile phone. Adidas is German athletic apparel and footwear corporation. To create Adidas account on mobile phone, you can either use official Adidas application. You can go through your Play Store or App Store and look for Adidas application and install the application, or you can go to any web browser available on your mobile phone. I am going to use the web browser available on my mobile phone, which is Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type www.adidas.com. With that, you'll be taken to official website of Adidas. Now here you can see profile icon at top. Tap on the profile icon. Then here you can see login or sign up option. You can sign up using your Apple account, your Facebook account, your Google account, or your Yahoo account, or you can manually sign up to your account. To do that, tap on email address box and enter your email address. Now, if you want your account to be kept logged in, then you can tap on the given box. Now, on the downside here, you can see terms of use and terms of condition along with privacy policy. Once view through all these terms and tap on continue. By tapping on continue, you agree to all these terms and conditions. Now here you need to create a password to have full access to Adidas benefits. Enter your password on the given box. Make sure your password has minimum of 8 characters with at least one uppercase, one lowercase and one special character with a number. Then tap on create password. With that, your Adidas account will be created. As you can see here, my Adidas account has been created. This is how we can create Adidas account on mobile phone. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.